documentation of the day. And today I want to tell you that yesterday night I had a video call with my friend. He is a designer friend, and I don't want to reveal his name right now. I will tell it some other day. So he basically handles my graphic editing works, and uh, he showed me something which improved my life to such an extent that today was my most productive day. And that thing was a simple Excel sheet. So what he basically done, he has written the timing, let's say 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., up to 11 p.m., and then again 12 a.m., right? It's loop back. So every hour in the Excel sheet, he written the timing in the left side. In the right side, he written exactly what he is going to do in that 1 hour. So let's say you are going for lunch. Let's say at 1 p.m. you go to lunch. So you write right side of the 1 p.m. as lunch time. So from 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. if you sleep, you can put that time as sleep, 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 sleep. How many hours that you want. But after that, as soon as you wake up, you can. This literally changed my life. I know this is very simple, and you will be thinking you already knew it, right? I actually didn't follow it. I just read about it that doing something like this will be. But today I noticed that out of my to-do list, I was the most productive. I finished my all past clients' work. I also uh, uh, finished one of my internship work. I also consumed courses. I also upskilled myself today. So today was one of the most productive day of my life, and after this video I will again write what I will be doing tomorrow. I won't miss one single day because this was the craziest productivity hack I can give myself. Apart from this, today morning I had a clapping session with Megha Nayak, and it was a great conversation because it was I had two conversation with her. One conversation the topic was I don't exactly remember. Okay, sorry. One was childhood, and the next session was about marketing and advertising. Both the topics were fantastic. Childhood, anyone can talk about it, and everyone will have a good or bad childhood. They can talk about it. So another marketing and advertising, it's my favorite topic at the moment. I am literally deep diving into marketing and advertising, and I'm not doing anything related to coding, which is my educational background. And that's why I was able to talk continuously. And the 15 minute session of clapping are crazy because you must try it. If you, the confidence you will get after having let's say I had around 8 classes, I guess, no, ninth, 10, yeah, around 5 6 class, you will be a different person when it comes to English speaking. You will be crazy confident. You will be speaking like me in front of camera. You will be speaking with random people. So communication is very important thing, and I think it's a hard truth. English is required. You can always communicate in variety of language, your regional language, but still I prefer English because it's one of the most known language in the world. Let's accept the fact. I'm not just making out something. It's the fact that English is one of the most adopted languages in the world. That's why I want to master this skill, and that's what led me to Clappingo. It's one of the best Indian platform where you can have one-on-one conversation with the best tutors. So apart from that, by the way, this is not some kind of promotion. I am just sharing my experience because I am documenting my journey. So if you want to take it, you can go for it. If you want not to take it, you want to practice it some other way, it's your wish. I am just telling you my how I am improving day by day. So one was the productivity hack, and another one was my English speaking. And apart from that, I am also working on communication, to build a better communication because I want to talk to more influencers. I want to build good connections. I want to grow myself and also help others grow, whoever I work with. So that's how my journey was today. And just before I started recording this video, I was speaking to my best friend, and it was quite refreshing. Actually, I didn't had any plan to talk to her today, but I somehow managed to make time and do that. And today is the most productive day of my life. And apart from that, I also wrote a blog. I also posted on LinkedIn. I also received my sister's gift, which she sent from Delhi. It's a Rakhi, and it's not some simple Rakhi. This Rakhi is she sent two Rakhi basically. One Rakhi is a metal Rakhi, a normal Rakhi, like everyone gives their brother. Another Rakhi is you can literally take that Rakhi and bury it in mud, and it will grow into a tree. It's made up of seeds. That Rakhi is made up of seed. So she gifted me something very creative, and my mom didn't like it to the fullest, but I liked it because it's my sister's selection, and I respect it. I love it, and that was about Rakhi. And tomorrow I am going to do something special for her. I want to do some. I won't reveal it right now exactly. And yeah, I was right now my LinkedIn following is I will tell you live. I won't fake anything. So my LinkedIn following is 534, and my my post gets views 126. Yeah, it gets good. LinkedIn has a great reach, and I suggest you, if you're watching this, you go on LinkedIn and start producing content. If you just watch my videos or some other one's video and just consume, when will you ever create? You finally you have come to this earth to make a mark. So do it. Do something. When you die, make at least 10 people cry that you have passed. I have a bigger vision, but you got it right. What I mean by that. So apart from that, I wanted to show, yesterday when I went to Udupi, my brother had a great setup. This setup consisted of one big monitor, which is of 32 inches, I guess, and beside that monitor he had a laptop. So laptop were connected to that monitor, and then he had a big podcast mic, but he don't do podcast. And after that, he don't have web camera still, but he will buy it soon, I guess. So it was a complete great. Okay, then he had a keyboard, mechanical keyboard, which cost around 5k, I guess. So his entire setup was crazy. Even I am planning to buy one monitor some days, but I don't do video editing. But still, it's big frame gives me a lot of comfort and less eye strain. So I guess it's worth the investment. So I will buy it someday, but it's not urgent necessity for me. So, but yeah, it was a great month though. And apart from that, yeah, tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. So whoever sisters watching this video, happy Raksha Bandhan from your brother, and I'm looking forward to it. So that's about today's documentation, and I hope you enjoyed listening to my daily routine and stories. I hope I added some kind of inspiration into your life. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that don't let your education background stop you from achieving your full potential. No matter you are a doctor, no matter you are a engineer, no matter you are doing completely different thing, and you are passionate towards digital marketing, or you are passionate towards singing, you are passionate towards playing guitar, you are passionate towards something else which is not your education background, you can go for it. At least you can do that side by side, so that one day it will be completely monetizable. When it comes to Americans, their parents never stop them from doing what they love. But when it comes to India, people often focus on monetary value, they focus on financial things. I literally want this to change. So I am working to it. I just don't like to blame the society, blame the government for this. I want to do something for it. So so I will be doing something for it, and that's about today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I don't want to break any streak, that's why I'm recording even today. And yeah, you might also have noticed that my confidence in front of camera is drastically improving day by day, and I am able to speak like this thanks to Raj, because yeah, that's about it. And until we meet again, see ya.